Now let's do a small experiment. I'm going to upload a lion and it tells it's 90% tigers, okay, 10% cats. Okay, now you see how so far we have been seeing and using AI models created by others. But what if you could create your own model without writing a single line of code? Welcome to day 174 of the 1000 Days of No Code Challenge. Today we are exploring Teachable Machine by Google, a free, beginner-friendly AI tool that lets you train your own model using images, body poses, and sounds. So let's jump in and see how it works. So to begin, head over to teachablemachine.withgoogle.com. The link will be added in the description below. Let's click on Get Started. So we have image project, we have audio project, we have pose project. I'll show you one of it and the remaining one also works similarly. Let's start with image project because that's most simpler to understand. Now we have class 1 and class 2, right? So classes is identification of items, okay, that we give. So for example, if we tell that these 4 items are of same class and the next 4 items are of second class, right? Then we train the model and then we give an input to the model. It will tell whatever input we have given, okay, belongs to class 1 or class 2, or what is the probability of it belonging to class 1 and whatever is the probability of that belonging to class 2. Okay, to understand this in a very simple way, I'll make this as cats, I'll make this as dogs, right? So we will upload the images of cats here, we'll upload the images of dogs here. I'm going to upload the cats from here. I'll go to images, or let me make it as large icons, right? So we have a cat, okay, not this one, right? So these are the cats, right? So I'll upload all of this and I also have to upload the dogs. Okay, a small change. Okay, this is not dogs, we have tigers. Okay, so I'm going to upload the tigers from here, right? So this one, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, I have deliberately not uploaded one of the cats and one of the tigers from the images. I'll show you why. So I have uploaded 4 cats, 4 tigers, and now I will have to click on train model. But before I go there are some advanced options like epochs, right? We can adjust this. If we go here, it tells us what epochs means, right? Likewise, we have batch size, right? And we have learning rate and so on and so forth. Okay, if you change everything and then if you want to reset all of this to default, then you can use this, right? I'll go with the default settings and I'll click on train model. Now what we are telling is this 4 are of cat categories, right? And then this 4 are of tiger categories. Okay, now you might wonder, does AI not know about it? It knows. The only reason we have chosen this is because we can understand how the platform works, how the model training happens, right? You can give items that you have, right? It could be your products, it could be something that you have manufactured and so on and so forth, right? So you can give those items here and train the model. Okay, now the training is done based on these 2 things, right? Now we have 2 options here. One is webcam or one is file. We go with file, which will allow us to upload the file. Of course, you can also import it from your Google Drive. So the first thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to upload this particular cat, right? I had uploaded this, so let me go with, because this of course 100% it says belongs to cat. I think I didn't upload this one. Yeah, so you can see that this is 100% a cat. Okay, now I'll upload the tiger image, okay, which was not uploaded over here, right? And it says 100% tiger. Now let's do a small experiment. I'm going to upload a lion and it tells it's 90% tigers, okay, 10% cats. Okay, now you see how it identifies the image that we have uploaded and gives us the prediction of which category it belongs to. Now, once all of this is done, if you feel that the model is good enough, right, and then you can export this model. You can download it, okay, which is TensorFlow.js format. You can also go to TensorFlow tab and get it in Keras or saved model. You can also use TensorFlow Lite formats. Now, similar to image models, right? If you go to new project, you can also upload audio files. Again, background noise, class 2, and so on and so forth. So you can train the model telling this is background noise, this is good noise or good sound or whatever it is, and then train it, and you upload an audio file. It will tell you whether it is background noise or good sound. Likewise, we can also try it out with pose project, right? So you can give some images of a particular pose of a human being, and you can classify it with the different classes, train it, upload a particular image with a particular pose, right? And then it will tell you that pose belongs to class 1 or class 2 category. That's how you train the model and use it for your own projects. Creating your own AI model always seemed a little out of reach, but not anymore. Now, you don't have to rely on some generic models. You can create your own models based on your products or items that you want to train the model on. Of course, it might not be production ready, but it will be yours. It will be trained on your data, specifically for the purpose that you are building it. So do give it a try and let us know how accurate it turned out to be. Until then, thank you for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next one.